Anthony here, founder of Quantum Voice AI. If you enjoy content like this, do us a favor, like, share, and subscribe. Comment below your thoughts at the end of this video. I promise you, this will be very helpful to all creators, no matter what industry that you are in. This is a video that you are going to want to pay very close attention to. So now let's get started. Today, briefly, I want to walk you through exactly how to enable likeness detection on YouTube. This is an identity protection feature. And if it's available, because in some accounts it's not yet, but if it's available on your account, you should turn it on. I'm going to explain where to find it, what each step actually means, and what happens after you enable it. I'll keep this very straightforward so you can follow along with me as I explain this. So first, make sure you are logged in to the YouTube account that owns your channel. I'm gonna say this again. First, make sure you are logged in to the YouTube account that owns your channel. Once you are logged in, go to YouTube Studio. Once you are logged in, go to YouTube Studio. You can do this by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting YouTube Studio from the menu. I'm going to say this again. Once you're logged in to your designated YouTube account, I want you to head over to YouTube Studio. So where is YouTube Studio? You can do this by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting YouTube Studio from the menu. When YouTube Studio opens, look at the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down and click on Settings. I'm going to say this again, okay? Because I want you to get everything from this video. When YouTube Studio opens, look at the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down and click on Settings. A settings window will open up, and from here, click on Channel. Inside the channel settings, select Advanced Settings. Inside the channel settings, select Advanced Settings. Now, look for a section labeled Likeness Detection. If this feature is available on your account, okay, you will see it listed there. And here's an important note that I want to mention. This feature is rolling out gradually. If you don't see it yet, that means it has not been enabled on your account yet. Not that you are doing anything wrong. So don't lose it, okay? If you don't see it, it's okay. But if you do see likeness detection, here's what you do next. Click into the likeness detection section. You will see an explanation from YouTube stating that this tool helps identify videos that may use your face or likeness without permission. This includes AI-generated content, manipulated media, or impersonation attempts. There will be a toggle or opt-in option. Turn this feature on. I'm going to say this again, okay? You will see an explanation from YouTube stating that this tool helps identify videos that may use your face or likeness without your permission. This includes AI-generated content, This includes manipulated media. This also includes impersonation attempts. There will be a toggle or an opt-in option. Turn this feature on. So basically slide that toggle to the right. Okay, that's how you opt in. Once you turn this feature on and it's enabled, YouTube begins monitoring publicly uploaded videos across the platform for visual matches to your face. This does not mean YouTube is scanning your private data. No, no, no. It means the system um, is looking for content that appears to replicate your likeness in a way that suggests impersonation. After enabling it, YouTube may prompt you to confirm or acknowledge how the system works. Read that very carefully and then confirm. At this point, setup is complete. Now, from here, this is what happens next. If YouTube detects a video that appears to use your likeness improperly, you may receive a notification inside your YouTube studio. In some cases, YouTube may review the content automatically. And in other cases, you may be asked to confirm whether the content is actually impersonating you. This gives you a level of control and visibility that creators did not have before. It's important to understand what this tool does and what this tool does not do. It does not remove parody. It does not remove commentary. It does not remove fair use content automatically. It does not prevent people from discussing you. What it does is it flags content that presents itself as you when it's in fact not you. And in my opinion, that distinction matters. If you do not enable this feature, YouTube has far less context to protect your identity, I would say proactively. The platform may still act on reports, but the detection process is slower and more reactive. Once enabled, though, once this is enabled, you should periodically check your YouTube Studio notifications and policy or safety alerts so you can respond quickly if something is flagged. Now, to go back to summarize, go to YouTube Studio, open settings, click channel, select advanced settings, enable likeness detection if possible, confirm and monitor notifications. I want to explain that this video is not about fear or any form of paranoia whatsoever, okay? This video is merely about just acknowledging the fact that AI impersonation is now a real issue. And in taking reasonable steps to protect yourself and your audience is needed. Your face and your voice are part of your intellectual property. If you rely on trust, if you rely on credibility, if you rely on authority, okay, then I think that this matters a lot to you. If this walkthrough was helpful, consider subscribing for more clear and practical guidance on AI, digital identity, and creator protection. I want to thank you so much for spending time with me on this short video. God bless you, and I pray that your channel and your content and your business and your life is blessed beyond measure. God bless you. God loves you. I love you. Everything is going to be okay. Let's protect ourselves and our content. Thank you for your time.